Welcome to Bikes Reviews, where we bring you in-depth insights into the world of motorcycles. Today, we take a closer look at the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, a bike that blends classic styling with modern performance. Whether you're a retro motorcycle enthusiast or a rider looking for a reliable twin-cylinder machine, this one deserves your attention. Design and aesthetics. The Interceptor 650 carries the essence of the 1960s with its round headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and minimalistic design. Chrome accents and a well-padded seat add to its vintage appeal. Available in multiple color options, this bike not only looks stunning but also stands out on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Interceptor 650 is a 648cc parallel twin engine that produces 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. The smooth power delivery, combined with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, makes it a joy to ride. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling city traffic, this engine ensures a responsive and engaging experience. Ride and comfort. With a comfortable upright riding position and well-balanced ergonomics, the Interceptor 650 is designed for long rides. The 41mm front forks and twin rear shocks provide decent suspension travel, ensuring a smooth ride on most terrains. The dual-disc ABS-equipped brakes offer excellent stopping power, making the bike both safe and confidence-inspiring. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. For a 650cc twin-cylinder bike, the Interceptor offers decent fuel efficiency, averaging 25 to 30 km/h, around 60 to 70 mpg. Maintenance is relatively affordable compared to other twin-cylinder bikes, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious riders who still want a premium experience. Final verdict. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a well-rounded motorcycle that brings together retro styling, solid performance, and everyday usability. It's a great choice for riders looking for an affordable, classic-style twin-cylinder machine with modern reliability. If you're considering this bike, you won't be disappointed. For more in-depth bike reviews, stay tuned to Bikes Reviews and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.